Yo, 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 good morning. We're here, we're live, we're ready to go. Stuff is happening. It's happening this morning. Let's see what we got going on here.
Move 36%. So bears are winning today.
Dang.
Sideways 21% and 11% don't even know what futures are. So
We're up $75 here.
You're in the right place.
yeah, I was gonna say that's.
Looks like it is popping off now. Is it? Is it time? It's time. Opening market just happened. We are open. It is open and ready to go. I'm gonna get this window open. I'll be right back. Closed and open at the same time.
I made $247 because you were going short, nice. And you know you're usually not the guy to go short. So thanks for that.
You're right. You're right. No, 100%. Like, it's so funny. Like, on my stats, I think on my trading stats, I go long 70% of the time. Like, I'm a 70%-ish long setup kind of trader. So you are 100% right on that.
Yeah.
No, I didn't hesitate. I just hit it, nice. And it was like I was up in two. I was only in. I was totally a Sam trade too, because I think I was only in it about 8 seconds.
It was a Sam trade.
Same.
Was that in the ES, Troy?
They're the best trades.
Same instrument?
No, that was in the NQ.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's all good.
No, I mean I'm literally
It's
going.
good.
What? Wait a minute. Click. Click, short. He said short. And I think
it was pretty surprising though, Paul. We're like, Sam's like, the markets are open, and Paul's like, I'm ready to go short right now, man. It was crazy.
Love it. I feel I'm ready. I'm ready for you guys.
Crazy.
Ready to start the week, man. I'm geared up.
Okay, good. Good morning, Robert Mashiro. Thanks for being here as always.
Good
and
morning,
remember,
Robert.
folks in the chat, we are going to be giving away a $25,000 challenge account in this segment. So stick around, and if you haven't won, then you can be entered to win the raffle and qualify to win. And in order to win, you need to subscribe to this channel and to our Hola Prime Global YouTube channel. Comment in the chat here in this live session, and make sure your email is in your YouTube description or your channel description so we can contact you. And please make sure it is an active email address so that we can reach out to you. And that's all you have to do. And you'll be entered randomly into winning a $25,000 challenge account here in this first live session with us, the coaches, today.
That's it.
Beautiful.
Very nice.
Sam, did you catch the rat? Inquiring minds want to know.
Not yet. Not yet. I'm gonna call a pest control person because this rat's too smart. It knows what a trap is. I mean, it must have escaped from some kind of nootropics lab or something because it has a brain on it. I tell you that.
Did it eat some of the peanut butter or whatever you put in there? Like, was it nibbling it? Was it eating it?
No,
And
I
not
don't
getting
know what
trapped?
it's surviving on. No, untouched. I left some grains
Really?
as well, some nuts.
Yeah.
I put out a whole buffet there for it. You know, all different types of foods that should look. Quite interested. I don't know.
Rat
A
buffet.
whole buffet. That is funny. That is funny.
It's just not happening.
That's all right. Do you hear it though? Like, does it move around a little?
Occasionally I hear it. Yeah, occasionally. I can
So
hear
it's still alive. It's still alive.
I don't
Okay.
know.
All right.
it. Yeah, it's still alive. It's still there. It's I'm gonna have to get a professional in. That's the only way. This ain't working.
Yeah.
So what's everybody's feeling like coming out of the weekend here? Anybody got any like biases or anything going into like the indices this Monday morning, or are we kind of neutral, just chill and see?
Order filled.
What's everybody feeling?
I've got a
Sounds like
soft bias. I got a short bias. I'm kind of waiting to see, like I said, if it can get below. I want to see if I get to the overnight low in the ES, which I think I have at like 60.75.
Come on, up, baby, up.
So
up,
460.75, I believe. Yeah, overnight low. So I want to see it come down to that, and then if we get to that, and then we continue further south, we get into those single prints. It may not. It may just stay here because we are trading in value area of Friday.
Come on,
Although,
up,
like you
baby.
said, Paul, we did open up in
Let's
range,
go
though.
up.
In range low.
Please
below
go
the point
up.
of control on Friday. So virtually almost all of the, Asian session, London session last night, we traded below the point of control in the ES from Friday. And that just tells me that I think, participants want to be looking for prices further south. So I've got a bias to the south today, but that can change, as we all know, at a moment's
Stop
notice.
Stop filled.
Right, of course.
Yeah, absolutely. Good stuff. Good stuff.
I got an idea.
I am interested.
I agree.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
actually agree with Coach Daryl, but for a different reason. If you do research when Powell speaks, particularly on the Fed release day on either Wednesday or Thursday, and there's some sort of reaction, it's
filled.
a big reaction in one direction or the other. What usually happens is the next day it retraces. It's like there's all that euphoria from whatever the release was gets overdone and gets run out, and the day after you almost always see it return back to the areas that it had been pre-announcement, pre-speech. Now, Friday we had the speech from Jackson Hole, and again you had this gigantic move. So I don't know if it counts as as the same Powell speech, etc. But usually what happens is when Powell opens his mouth and you get this giant move, usually the next day it retraces. It retraces back to its original reversion to the mean trade. So
we're
not
trading.
sure that
We're
this qualifies as a Fed announcement, because it was definitely a Powell speech and it was on a different day than what we're used to. We're used to this happening on a Wednesday, Thursday. And so there you go. That's my 2 cents worth.
That's great. I agree with that.
Short.
I like that short, Sam. I like that short.
I'm already out. The 2 contracts on that one. Not bad.
Very nice. Very nice. That was again a test of the value area low level that I had in the 64.72 area, but for you it was on the NASDAQ. I'm sure you shorted that. That was I think a really good area to get shorts, and I was contemplating it myself.
Yeah, it's also a nice little gap as well, so worked out nicely, that one.
Yeah. I do have in the ES. I guess let me look at what the NASDAQ level is as well. So in comparison to the NASDAQ, I've got kind of like 23,520 to 23,5 like 50-ish boxed off in the NASDAQ, and for the ES, I've got 64.74 to 64.80 boxed off as kind of like an area of support in general that we saw on Friday. So I'm wondering if we bounce into that area and then maybe buyers wither away or get trapped and then sellers come in, or we just see a flurry through it and then maybe change the bias to long after we get into that zone, or if we just reject it. So we'll see soon enough, I'm sure. Wondering if today is going to be a little bit more of a boring day or like a reactionary day, kind of like what you were saying, Troy, where we see a little bit more of like the retracement occur after the whole speech ordeal on Friday. I would like to see a little bit more of like downside action, a little bit more volatility come in, but Mondays will be Mondays, so who knows?
Yeah, that's the other thing. It's a Monday.
Monday, but I find the market reaction to lowering interest rates just bizarre, because you have to look at why is the Fed lowering rates, or what are they going to do? Why would they lower rates? Because the economy sucks,
we got wrecked on Sol.
Okay?
We're at 9. Look at this.
If the Fed's lowering rates, it's because
boom.
the economy's going to crap, right? They're trying to stimulate the economy by lowering rates, but as soon as the Fed says, "Hey, we're going to lower rates," the market goes up. Like, yay! Well, now wait a minute. You're lowering rates because the market's really bad, and we're having bad issues. We've got, whatever reasons. And so I always find it interesting, an opposite of what should really happen. I would be going, the Fed's lowering rates. Recession, depression, bad labor numbers, bad sales numbers, that's what the reality is, right? But the market goes up.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, but we don't have the bad labor. We're starting to get bad labor numbers or weakening labor numbers. We have to see what happens next month. But I'm with you, Troy. The other thing, though, the reason that the market loves when interest rates come down is because stocks can, cheaper money for all of these publicly traded companies, and all the debt and all the leases and the office space and all the stuff that goes with it. So they look at better margins, more profit. I know what you're saying. It's counterintuitive. I used to try to understand it. It's just so complicated and everything is so interconnected that, it's really hard to track. I mean, I'm not an economist. I say that all the time, and I still don't understand half of what goes on. I just trade what I see, I just kind of stay in my lane because it's just too much for me.
Well, it's like Troy, has said in the past. It just the markets love to climb the wall of worry, so that's probably what's happening, right, Troy? I mean,
Yeah, they do.
we're climbing that
They
wall
do.
of worry. And that crypto move over the weekend because of Bitcoin and all that was very interesting. The whole Bitcoin
Did you
sell-off
see
and
that?
whatnot.
I know.
Order filled.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That
Take
was.
a look, actually.
Yeah.
Futures.
I think it's down to 111 still. Bitcoin on not the futures contract, but just the price alone. Let me see here.
Bitcoin's dropping like a rock in the futures right now. Down about $1,000 per coin in the last 15 minutes here on the futures. So
Ooh.
some increased
Wow.
selling pressure on the crypto.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not good.
A little bit of resistance
Stop
here
filled.
Stop filled.
on the equities.
All right, let's slowly bring that back.
Going short,
That was a smart
Dow
trade. Probably
here,
should have stayed in.
Dow mini. See if we can't come back into the middle of this range. Give me to this 21 period. Come on, come down. Damn it! It's gonna pop up on me. I gotta move my stop quickly. These volatile
Yeah.
morning sessions. I'm not gonna risk too much here. If the move was gonna happen, it was gonna happen. Nasdaq's bouncing off the lows. The Dow wasn't following to its own lows right there in the short term.
I'm long.
ES is bouncing.
And I'm out.
Yep.
Woo.
I'm long and I'm out. I don't even think you inhaled. You didn't even take a breath.
It's
Oh my
fine.
God.
Funny.
Got a bit of slippage on that one, but
That
it's all
was-
good. 691 contracts at the bottom of that candle to the sell side. 691. That is insanity.
Yeah, that'll
I haven't
do
seen
it.
numbers like that.
That'll do it.
in a while. Instantly got in for a long. I didn't even wait for buyers to come in. I was like, no, I'm in. I'm in.
That was great. All right, so I think we got my screen up, and I'm just looking to
Feels
get
like a
short
short.
here. I want to really see. I know, but I don't want to. We're hovering on both sides of the point of control here, and I need to see some legs. I like to see it get down to the overnight low. Like I said, I mean, overnight low is at 63.25. Yeah, see, look, it looks like it. Every time it wants to come down, it pulls back a bit.
Yeah, the Nasdaq just bounced off its like
I think it's just
low from 10
getting its
minutes ago. Yeah.
Yeah, so we have, what do we have here in 12 minutes? Home sales or something, I think. We got our U.S. new home sales. Yeah, that's not going to do much, I don't expect, to move the market. And
Come
it's 7:30
on.
my time, 10:30 your time. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index.
Guess I
That's
just suck at
Dallas
crypto
Regional.
today.
I don't know what that's going to do. So pretty thin day on the docket, barring headline risk and tweets and all the rest. And who knows if we get some stuff regarding Ukraine, Russia, and more of a meeting, what have you. All that's still kind of up in the air too. So. Yeah.
You know what? I haven't actually looked at the calendar today. See, this is a mistake I make quite often. I forget to look at the calendar. Luckily, there's nothing major. New home sales, like you said, and that's it. Coming up in 10 minutes.
Right. Yeah.
You can get caught
I
out
look at it all the
so
time.
easily.
Yeah, you could. You could. See, now where the ES, the point of control, it keeps moving around a little bit within a few points. It's migrating still, it's migrating north. And so that's why
See if
I
it
wanted to go
bounces
short
here.
back there, Paul, like when it was coming down. And then I think you were looking at the NQ, but it, outside of that major swing low we had at the open, it's just kind of, you know, ranging. It's doing Sam's range deal within 10 points here.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
It's literally exactly 10-point range.
Nick Crazy in the
Yeah,
chat
Nick,
saying gold seems bullish.
Nick Crazy,
You are
welcome.
right. You are right, my friend. We just bounced off that 6407 support from the overnight and just rocketed back up to 6415 now. So I see exactly what you're talking about, my friend. Kind of wish I saw that, like, was actually paying attention to gold a little bit, so I could have caught that with you there. But it's all right. It's okay.
It's
This is what I'm
alright.
talking about here. I just blew up the daily profiles here, going back at least, I don't know, through August 7th, it looks like. But heavy distribution here at the top was only made from last Friday, and then a few days, you know, August, basically 19th, but 17th, 16th, 15th, 14th. So all of this up here, if we get down below the 60, basically 57, essentially, we get into these low volume, and it's also single prints here from Friday, all this rip. So if we get down here, this thing could really move down south in a hurry. I'll be jumping on that, but right now we may just be ranging right around this distribution here. Interestingly, point of control is common for a lot of these right here. So right now we're happy being up here. The participants are kind of happy just doing its thing, but I'm just waiting for that. That to me is my bigger move to the south. I think that's a bigger opportunity for me this morning, and I'll be looking to play that. I'm just waiting.
Yeah.
You know, let's just get back down to the one. This is the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute down here now.
Sweet.
And
We
this is
pulled
only
in
showing,
what we wanted.
you know, the last 22 minutes. I'm only interested in looking
Here.
at the profile
Sweet,
of
sweet,
where we are
sweet.
since we opened in the U.S. session. I do have obviously the overnight going way back here, but at this point, I'm looking and watching what we do around this point of control, and if we get range extension on the IBs. My initial balances still have a long way to go before they're set. So I'm just sitting on my hands. I'm not looking to make a crazy scalp move today. I think I'm more interested in a longer trade. So I'm just gonna wait.
Yeah.
ES and Dow just had that wick up and then came back down there on some pretty quickly there. That was interesting. I was in my head immediately. I was like, I wonder if Sam caught that 3-second scalp to
Right
the
here.
downside.
Yeah, I know, just like
Not in any
this one right
particular
here
area
that came
right
up
now.
and down.
Yeah.
We're not in any
Opportunistic.
We've kind of just gone into the middle. When it's in the middle and it's the range, it's not really. I don't know. I kind of want to see it extend a little bit more. This is
Can't figure out what time frame. I'm
Yeah,
on.
and in the ES, the point of control, the volume weighted average price, the VWAP, and the mid are all on top of each other. They're all separated by one tick. So, I mean, talk about complete, you know, in the middle,
Do we find that
just
out?
confluence, just happy sitting here, mean reverting up and down a few points. I'm not getting in yet. There's nowhere to get in.
Yeah, you got a nice little wedge pattern.
Yeah. I guess you could say that. I mean, let me get some lines. I don't really draw lines, but we could draw lines. Let's see, where's lines? I don't even know what lines are. That's how. Come on.
You don't know where lines are.
Trend line. There we go. Nah, I don't use lines like that. Boom. Like these kind of lines, you know. Just like the wedge.
Yeah.
The wedge, like Troy's talking about here, you know. So.
The wedgie, as they call it.
A little wedgie.
You see a wedgie, Troy?
This is why Troy always says, don't let me stand up, guys. You don't want to see it.
I'm not.
You don't want to see it.
I'm got out already. Got out break even.
Oh my God, Sam. Sam's like, I got long. I'm out already.
Nah, I didn't like that sort.
It's hilarious.
I just lost commission on that one.
Hilarious.
It's fine. I lost like $5. That's alright.
That's all right. That's all right.
Let's see.
No, this is
Watch
perfect
Still in the
example
range.
of
I thought it might be breaking out.
prices in the range, just going nowhere, do nothing. I mean, I think that's what Daryl's trying to say.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. Thank you, Troy, for being a man of simple words to break it down for me. Well, boys, I tell you, this market looks like a stagnation right now. Nothing's going nowhere. Sheriff Troy's in town, folks. Everyone mind your P's and Q's. Nick Crazy, no, we don't trade crypto. I mean, I don't think any of us do. Futures crypto, but no.
Nah.
No.
Unfortunately. I mean, there might be a day where I do put it on. I do put a crypto, like a micro Bitcoin or micro Bitcoin on, but not.
But it's not your wheelhouse, you know. It's not your thing.
Yeah, I am. Again, I am short. Or I am in a position on the 10-year notes again. I just got short the 10-year notes, just one contract.
Wow.
I'm just gonna let it play. I'm kind of doing like a little bit of an EMA. An EMA following here, so I'm following like the 9 period and the 21 and the 50, and I'm kind of just putting my stop above those EMAs, so I'm risking essentially 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 30 seconds on this trade. So
Nice.
Yeah.
I might
You
be
could do
going
that with
short
bonds,
in the
though. You could put on a trade.
I know the back end. The
Share
back
same
end
screen.
wanted to show. Yeah, if you could put my, I might be going
All
short.
right.
Might not, because it is.
That's
I
good.
do
Yeah.
think it's
Just
the
pay
bullish
attention.
market right now.
Sam, pay attention. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. U.S. new homes. I don't know if it'll move it, but just pay.
Thank you for reminding me.
Just pay attention. Yep. Just pay attention.
Thank you for reminding me. Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah. Unless I see it happen, I won't. I'll be looking. To
I mean, it
get
may help
short
you.
around
It may help you.
5.5.
It may help you in your
Might.
trade, but it may not. Yeah.
520. So between those two blue lines, I'm looking to potentially go short. Come on, get in there. Oh, it's already. Didn't even notice. Here we go. It's coming in. Let's see if the sellers come in. Got my finger on the short button. All right, I'm in.
Nice.
Flatten button. Come on, sellers. Come in.
You're about
They're
50
getting
seconds from the
buyers,
news.
yeah, I'm gonna get out regardless of the news. Come on, sellers, come in. Come in. There we go.
All right, let's see what we could do.
But
Just
yeah,
not
that's
been
essentially
good
what I
on
do.
my crypto trades.
Wait for an area.
We lost
The news
like
is a bit
379 yesterday. We're in a losing trade again. Still,
And then I'm
we
just looking
lost
for buyers
on
to
our
take the
funded
trap
account
or sell
almost
pressure
$100.
coming. Just in and out. Anywhere from like 50 to 100,
Likely going
150,
to be
things like that.
$100.
I'll take it. Done. Just build up the balance.
Yep. It's interesting. So the book in the
do that
ES
enough?
just got vaporized ahead of the news. There's a reaction higher.
Yeah, no. That's it. This is
Wow. Wow.
Thank you
It's
for
more,
reminding
more,
me
than
about the news.
more of a reaction I thought. Yeah, no problem. More of a reaction I thought. Jumped about 5 points right there.
I got an interesting
Well, we
spread
made a
on,
new high
guys.
on the day.
I'm long live cattle at the moment, and I am short the 10-year. So,
Live cattle.
Wow.
We need to see that.
yeah.
We've got to see the live cattle, please.
Oh, show the screen. Show the screen. I mean, it's gonna be
Yeah,
a relatively
back end.
short trade here.
Get Paul's screen up.
All right, let's see what is going on here.
76.
So we punched
Live
up.
cattle.
You know what kind of emoji you need to put up there, Paul?
I gotta put the cow
Another
on there.
one. You gotta put the cow. You just have to.
Cow. Yeah, cow.
So interestingly, this little 5-point jump in the ES on this new home sales report came right up to the main distribution on Friday, right to the high volume where the low and the high were separating. A little interesting. We're still in that little gap coming back down. Very, 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 very interesting. What were the numbers on this? Oh. All right, forecast 0.63 million, 0.652. All right.
Got a question in the chat.
Month over month.
Ayub R. Sorry if I
Ayub.
mispronounced your name.
Yep.
He asks, Sam, where do you spot the sell pressure order book? Not the order book or the depth of market, but the footprint chart. So the delta footprint chart, to be precise. Areas are just basically using volume profile. I look for anything low volume trapped between heavier volume on either side. When it gets into that low volume area, I'm looking to go against it. And then I'm just looking at the footprint to see some kind of sell pressure come in or buyers getting trapped, or so either big numbers for the buyers if I'm looking to short it, and then you can see, big numbers come in but the price isn't going up. That's absorption. I'll get in. Or for example, if I see lots of sellers come in, just everything going red and the numbers are, even if they're buy numbers, but they're all dropping quite quickly because that's sellers coming in again, going short. And that's basically it. But I'm not looking for home run trades. I'm just looking to catch that reaction the moment a reaction's done. Like, for example, if it goes into profit and then starts coming back and starts going negative, you got to get out because there's a good chance it's never going to come back there again. So don't hold the trade, just get out. Even if it's a small loss, doesn't matter. You just missed the exit and that's it. So you have to be really quick with it and just happy to get the hell out at any point. Don't marry the trade in any way and you'll be fine.
Beautiful. And guys, I just had a nice live cattle win there, another $125 or whatever on the day. Got long cattle. Would love to go through this really quickly. I'm going to show everybody very quickly what I saw here.
You can take your time. I'm not ready to get into anything, so take your time explaining it if you want.
So you can see on the chart here, we from the previous trading session, we gapped down, and there was a lot of selling pressure here that got essentially, like Sam would say, like where sellers got trapped here, and then buyers just came in and started buying it up. And so to me, immediately, when I started looking at the chart, we were right in this 236.25 area, and I'm thinking, okay, well, looking at this price action,
Don't like
on
what
the
I
open,
see
it's
there.
relatively bullish, so I just want to kind of follow the trend here, get long on this, like whenever I see some more buyers starting to step in. And then this 1 minute candle popped up right here, and I was looking at the order flow, and it was a bunch of buyers, so I immediately got in long for a little bit of a breakout. And I saw on the order book there are a bunch of offers stacked up between 237
Doesn't break this.
and 238.
Starting to break that.
Here. So I was thinking, okay, that might be a little bit of a magnet, especially in some of these ag commodities that can definitely act as a magnet on like thinner liquidity type markets, especially something like live cattle where you've got bid offers at like 3 or 4
I don't like it.
you know, per tick or whatever.
Ooh,
So,
it's looking kind of nice, but I don't like it. I
I
don't like it.
Upwards, and I was just looking for a quick 1-to-1. I had my stop below that little swing low of sorts here at 23,630, and target was roughly about the same. Profit target was about the same amount of distance away. So just wanted a quick little win here in the live cattle. I wouldn't be surprised if it fills the gap totally at some point today and gets through and eats through that liquidity that we see up above at 238. But yeah, just
gonna
want to play
wait.
a little bit of the momentum there. And I'm still in my 10-year notes shorts at the moment. This moves very
Just
slowly,
gonna
so
wait
don't
'cause we
expect this
missed
to do
it.
much for a
Dun-dun-dun-dun.
little while.
It's
guys.
literally
So,
not moving.
I'll keep everybody updated on this as far as what happens, but yeah.
Ooh,
Perfect.
we were coming down here.
Nice.
What else we got here?
Point of control just moved up, migrated north in the ES. So my initial bias to the south may be changing.
Yeah. So Dow is making
interesting.
new lows on the day, is continuing to make new lows, whereas the NASDAQ is trying to make new highs on the day. So
And the
divergence
ES is trying to make new highs. Yep. Yep.
All right.
Yep. It's very interesting.
Just gonna take that
I still
$10
will
hit.
sit. If I don't get in anything, I'll still wait for my IB to be set, and then I'll look to trade around, the IB high, the IB low once we're there. But yeah, this is, wow. Cumulative volume delta is really building in the ES to the upside.
I'm short again. Come on. I'm short. Didn't like it. I'm out. That was too quick. Sorry, guys. I should have said before to get my screen up. But it's fine.
No worries.
That's too quick.
Oh,
I
good.
don't like shorting
Oh,
this
good.
bullish market at this moment in time, but there's no other areas I can.
Mhm.
It's a bit annoying. I want to ideally get in long at some point, but there's not enough pullbacks, so that doesn't even make any sense. I can short the pullback, but I can't get in at. I don't know. It just doesn't work.
Yeah, there's not enough range. There's not enough range yet for
Yeah.
anything for me.
Guys are very, very aggressive right now.
Yeah, man, the NASDAQ.
Oh,
I mean, it's so funny because
I'm still looking at.
I want to. Yeah.
Oh, I guess I should
wanna
have jumped
short
in.
them now, but
Wow.
He's gonna jump in
I
with
don't
the two
blame you for wanting
contracts.
to
That
short
would have been
the
great.
NASDAQ.
we would have
Or
been
like not wanting to short it at the moment.
pulling
Well,
some of those
yeah.
back, but it's
You
okay.
don't know whether the Dow's the
You
leading
just never
indicator
know
today, or is
what's
it the
gonna
ES
happen
and the
right
NQ
now.
and the Dow's the laggard, right? Like, you know, if you're looking to sit into a trade for a little while, like I probably will be. I mean, I'm gonna probably get in
Freaking
with
hate when
multiple
it does
positions. I'll
this.
try to scale out or get break even at some point. But I want to have a trade
An hour.
kind of work in my favor. I don't know if I
Why
want
does
to
it
get
go
in
so far
either
back?
with the Dow being so divergent to the ESQ
Yeah.
range.
Yeah.
It's a little strange, and we didn't really earnings this morning. I was looking at earnings too. We didn't have, there's no Dow component earnings that's making this do its thing. It's another thing also. Earnings this week is really thin. We're pretty much done with earnings season on the quarter. I mean, we got Nvidia. We got Royal Bank of Canada, which is not anything. That's about it. Yeah, you got Nvidia, and that's about
So
it on the
stupid,
week.
dude.
You got
I freaking hate
Alibaba
this
on Friday,
freaking
but
dashboard. I mean, I hate this
I don't know what's causing
freaking
the
thing.
Dow.
Look at how long it took me to freaking see
Just
that and
Monday.
be like, all
Just
right,
your
we
typical
freaking
Monday.
should be selling. We were up 6. I would have got out at
I missed
5.
a long opportunity there.
Yeah.
Perfect one. I missed it.
Dang.
That's annoying. It might still come back down. Might give me a second chance. Here we go. Come on, now I want to see the sellers get absorbed. 13, 17. I'm in on a long. I don't like it. Come on, buyers. You're getting absorbed. Sellers are coming in strong. And I'm out.
Like, what did I just
It's too
do?
late already.
It is so
That's true.
crazy.
I tried, Sam. I
Like,
tried.
the only way you're gonna ever catch my trades
Yes.
is if you're constantly 24/7 on my screen. That's the only way. Like by the time
yeah.
I announce it, by the time I'm in, I'm out already. But
I tried so hard. I'm
Hilarious.
like
It
a
is so
hawk on
funny.
the keyboard when I'm listening to you. I'm like I'm trying to get the production guys in check, but
Switch to Sam. He's like, yeah. They're like, what? It's over. Back out.
maybe if I
Oh man.
maybe if I trade the ES, it'll be a bit quicker. I mean, not quicker. It'll take a bit longer each trade.
Oh, well, it will today for
Put it in the
sure.
chat.
Today it's moving real slow.
Yeah.
Today it's moving real
Yeah.
slow.
So maybe tomorrow I'll trade the ES and we can do that. But in the chat, Niche Crazy says futures seems easy. Look, never. That's a big mistake to make. Never underestimate any kind of trading. Never underestimate the market. You come in thinking it's easy, you're gonna get very quickly humbled. Trust me. Would I say it's easier than something like Forex? I would say probably, yeah. I would say it's easier. You have more data to work with.
Maybe
But I still
easier to
wouldn't call it
read.
easy.
You have cleaner data. No, not
Yeah.
easy. That's why I wrote what I wrote.
It's easy to lose money. That's for sure, though.
That's right. All right, I'm short
Easy to lose
in the
money.
ES. It just came ripping through. How do you make $1 million in the futures market, Sam? Or anyone? Do you guys know?
How to make?
I know you all know.
What do you mean?
How do you make $1 million in the futures market? Oh, how do you make $1 million? You
Have
start
enough
with 2 million.
capital, keep trading.
start with 2 million. That's great.
I thought you were being serious here.
Back in time.
Yeah, that's very true.
That's too funny. All right.
Yeah. thing is just so range bound. Just rotating right around the point of control. Just happy to do its thing. This is a lot like how last week was, though. Remember, guys, when it would move, it would be very, very abrupt. And you guys were talking about all the wicks and stuff. Remember, it would be, once it got out of a certain band that it was consolidating in, it would just wick out and then revert right back in. And it's doing the same type of behavior again, just, you know, less range, a little less violent. It's a Monday, but it's the same type of thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Edgar's in the chat. Hello, Edgar.
Edgar, I see that, Edgar.
Robert says, I used to be great at crypto futures and thought if I could trade the wild west of crypto futures, I could trade anything. Then I moved to Forex and futures. It's been easy and hard. Niche Crazy says, did you guys do the DXY? Hola.
No.
I don't think we even have the ability to trade those futures.
No, I don't.
Unfortunately,
Yeah,
because it's on ice.
I was gonna say, I'm trying to think.
It's on ice.
It's not a CME exchange. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Exactly right.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, but we can look at some pairs, like, you know, we can look at like Euro USD and stuff, and JPY and all that, jazz.
The common ones. Yeah. Yeah.
Eventually, I will get into trading USD JPY. I do want to be trading that pair at some point. It's just I need to observe it more. I'm using the quiet market session to observe it a little bit and like just keep notes on it essentially. And maybe one day you'll be seeing me trade it in the mornings every once in a while when there's the decent opportunity. I'm just trying to hold myself back because I don't know it too well, so I don't want to just be getting into trades willy-nilly. At least I've been studying like live cattle for like 3 weeks at this point, and I've been looking at the market profile charts and whatnot of it, and but not for the currencies yet. So.
I can tell you my take on JPY.
Okay.
It is very, very technically based. The Japanese traders are very technical traders. So I find of all the currencies, I find the Japanese yen the easiest one to trade because it respects market levels much better than some of the other currencies, and obviously the futures as well. It just seems like in general, the Japanese traders are very technically based mindsets. So I don't know if the rest of you guys have noticed that, but I like the yen. I used to trade the yen. I would trade the futures, the 6J, in the evenings from like 7 Eastern to maybe 10 p.m. Eastern to get that, you know, while the Tokyo market's open.
Yeah. Right when it's open.
And
yeah. It's a carry trade. It's a carry trade as well.
Yeah.
It's a big. Has a lot to do with everything. I mean, the yen is, the yen. I don't know. I can't add much to it. I don't trade currencies. But I think I agree with you, Troy, on the overall sentiment. Just from my observations.
That's interesting about the technical part of it. Like, I haven't even looked at the Japanese yen much at all. So I'll definitely keep an eye out and look at that and see what I find there, because it's just the most interesting currency to me, I think, to trade because of like all that. It's a big part of general like fundamentals as well, like with the macroeconomic environment, with everybody borrowing hand over fist the JPY in order to try and make easy returns overseas and whatnot.
That's the carry trade. That's the carry trade spread I'm referencing on that. Yep.
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 But I agree. Come on. ES is just smack on top of this point of control. Up and down a half point here, half point there, half point here, half point there. My IB stat is still open. We are almost a little over 10 minutes. 10 minutes now till I lock the IBs in. Let's see if we get a down leg move here.
Oh, what are we doing?
I'm in a long, but I think it's bad timing. It's alright, come on, push up a bit more. Come on, there we go, there we go. Yeah, cool. Get the TP.
Nice.
Yeah, hopefully my screen was up. Was my screen up?
Yep. It
Should
was.
have mentioned
Yeah.
it again. Oh, good. Alright, you finally saw
No,
it.
you're up.
Amazing. That's good. Yeah, no,
I think
got in
you're
a
leaving
bit
it on
too-
yours as a default.
Got in a bit too
Hopefully
early on
catch
that one,
something.
but it's fine. Worked out.
All right, let's see if
Oh,
we
yeah.
bounce
There
here.
is
This might
a
be
lot
the
of
last
salt
trade
coming
we get
in.
into. Who knows?
Dude, that was a fantastic trade, man. That was so good.
All right.
I mean, you like top licked that. Your TP top licked that. That was insanely good.
Yeah. That's exactly where the
Let's go
buyers are
sellers.
trapped. So I thought it's not gonna.
Right.
If it is a downward move, which it could be,
Look at that.
it's not gonna go any higher than that because that's where trap buyers are.
Yeah.
Can you take me?
But this is getting very messy now. This market. Look at that. I mean, that's disgusting.
Yeah.
That's filth. We're back in filth
That's
territory.
pure filth. Pure filth. Utter rubbish.
Oh man. You're
Utter rubbish.
absolutely.
Utter. Just.
I'm just trying to see what we can find out. See if we can see anything.
Thought for a
See if
minute
there's
you were talking
anything we
I
about
can
read the poll.
trade
We got like a little poll
right now.
Yeah, Paul?
in the chat.
Let's see.
And I
All
read
right.
it at first.
All right, let's check it out.
It says Gold's mood after Jackson Hole. I read good afternoon Jackson Hole. I don't know why. I was like, what? What do you mean good afternoon Jackson Hole?
That's hilarious.
Oh,
Oh,
Great.
oh my god.
maybe I'm slightly dyslexic or something. I don't know.
No.
No, you got me thinking Michael Jackson with all your Jackson's Hole every time you say it. Jackson's Hole? Like Jackson's what? I cannot stop thinking of Michael Jackson every time you say Jackson's Hole.
Oh man.
I'm gonna love Jackson's Hole.
I'm
I was
glad
hoping
that's
Jerome
over,
would do a
though.
moonwalk or something. I know.
I'm glad.
I hate the Davos too. The Davos one. It's gotten to be such a celebrity kind of event. You know, it's just I don't know.
Yep.
Here we go.
I always enjoyed Davos
Uh-oh.
because
Got the mood.
He's looking
Bloomberg,
for a little moonwalk. Yeah.
Moonwalk.
the Bloomberg guys on Bloomberg
What you looking
TV, they're like giddy.
Yes. I knew he was gonna do it. Wrong color, dude. Well, no, it's the right color. Actually, it's the right color. Michael Jackson. He turned white. He turned white. No, he turned white. That's the right color. Perfect.
Technically, this person's yellow, so unless Michael Jackson was a Simpsons
He bleached
character,
himself a
I
little
don't
too
know.
much. Little too much peroxide. I don't know what to tell you. Moonwalk. That's hilarious. And you're moving them. It's great. That is great. That was so funny.
Yeah, we're in filthy territory.
Come on.
Now. I'm just gonna have to sit back for a bit. Sit back and do nothing.
13-point range on the ES. 13-point range after a Friday that gave a lot of range. And that's usually what happens. And this is also to Coach Troy's comment about, you know, the opposite reaction to a Powell, I guess, speech or
Let's see what
any kind
happens
of
right here.
FOMC or any sort of
Is
thing
it
like that. Where you
going
get
to
a big
go
reaction,
down?
you gotta
I
get a
don't
muted,
know.
typically a muted day following, and I think
Dun,
that's so true. I think it's a
might
lot
go up.
similar to, you know,
Who
how, you
knows
know,
what it's going
buy
to
the
do?
rumor, sell the news.
Oh,
sort
it's
of
gonna go
deal,
down to
and
here.
Everyone expects some big, I don't know, some report on some stock, let's say, and then everyone's just disappointed because it was a huge run up prior, and then
It is
nothing
not.
but a dud. It's just, I think it's human emotion in trading.
Yeah.
Indeed. You know who in a while? Eric Lake. Where's Eric?
Gonzo, I think he's doing Forex. I think that's what I read or heard. I think.
Tiger is in the chat.
I don't know.
Coach Tiger.
What up, Tiger? I know. I agree with you, Tiger.
We just may
We need
have
to-
put
we need
a
to-
bad
we need to move
trade
down.
in.
I'd
Who
like to go south.
knows? I
Let
don't
it go
know.
south for the winter. Yeah, I agree with you, Paul. I didn't want to get it. I didn't want to get into that, but I agree with you, Paul.
Niche Crazy is asking, are you guys
Yeah.
hiring? Best thing to do is contact. I think we have a careers page. We do have a careers page on our website, olaprime.com. We'll show what positions are currently available. In terms of coaching, if that's what you're thinking, really depends. I mean, we'd need to do like an interview with you and see what level of experience you have, etc. But if you wanna contact the support team, just say you're interested in becoming a coach, and one of our business team will get back to you and we'll take it from there. Okay?
We got ripped up.
I thought when I looked at the chat, I thought it said, "Are you guys high?" Yeah, we are high. I glanced at it. It's like, "Are you guys hiring? Are you guys high?" He's probably thinking the way we talk. Yeah, we're like this every day, man. It's just fun and frolics all darn day. Some days are crazier than others.
I say you do not switch to the ES, back to the ES, Sam. Even though it would be slower and everything, I think you've been killing it on NQ. You just need to stick with the NQ. I mean, if we can't see your trade,
Yeah, I agree.
trade here and there, that's fine. Just stick with it, brother.
I agree. There's no need to go back. Now that you left the ES in your dust, it's okay. I'm gonna hold up the ES for all the other lowly S&P guys. I'll represent. You guys do the NQ.
I've divorced it.
You know.
Traded
Yes, it's
traded
over.
the ES in for the younger, hotter model. I'm all about that fast-paced life now.
Oh, you're in and out. You're Sam. It's wham I am Sam. Green eggs and ham.
Minute man Sam.
Well,
You know, you don't like Culture Club. You don't like Culture Club. Maybe you like Wham. Maybe you like George Michael. We'll start singing some.
Good.
George
I
Michael
jumped
stuff.
out too soon. Should have left.
Which one is that George Michael song? Really famous one.
There's a lot of them.
Is it the saxophone one? I can't hum it to save my life. But
What?
is that a George Michael song?
What? I don't even know what you were just saying. I
Play it
can't
with
even
saxophone.
decipher it. Oh, I know what you mean. That's Careless
In my head,
Whisper.
it sounds-
Yes.
That's it. That's the one.
Yeah, Careless Whisper. Yes, Careless Whisper. That's what your rat is doing in
It's
your
hard-
attic.
it's
in
hard
your
to
wall.
mind.
It's doing a Careless Whisper. Just the little,
just
the
adopting the
little nails
rat.
on the drywall. It's a little scratching. That's what we said, didn't we? One of you guys said that. You should take it out. Maybe it was Tony. Take it out of the attic, sit it on your shoulder, be your little mascot. You could be your pet. Someone said that, right? You can adopt it. It'll be your new pet. Yeah.
Must be lonely up there, you know?
Yeah, totally. Well, my IBs are set, and I've been in this long. I mean, I've been in this short rather for a little while. It's not doing diddly, but you know, I have a take profit at the overnight low, and my entry was way back. Where did I get in? What time? I got in. Oh boy, 15 minutes ago. So yeah, I've been sitting in this for a while, and I got in around 2 contracts short at 68 even. So yeah, I'm out of the money. I'm just sitting in it, and I've got to stop near, just kind of not the high of the day, but I just put it above where the rotation has been, kind of the outside edge, and I'm just waiting to see if we get a continuation move. I did get short. I didn't just arbitrarily get short. I did get short for a reason. It was making this downward leg right here, and pulled up to point of control, came right back. 7:18. Where's the time? 7:15. I got it right here. Yeah. So it wasn't ideal because it's on point of control, but it just looked like it had done enough, you know, trying to push to the long side that I thought, okay, I really want to get in short. I still had a bias for short. That hasn't changed. I'm trying to seek anything below the 64.60. Should we get there? And that was my basis for getting into the trade.
Yeah.
And it's just sitting here though. It's like molasses.
I did get out of my my bond short there for just a couple of ticks because it's going. I mean, we all know it's going nowhere fast already, but geez Louise, the activity has died down dramatically, and I think I just generally missed the morning move, and I'm getting into like the way too slow part of the day for the bonds. So I just got out for a couple ticks profit and move on to, you know, make sure that my attention is spent mostly elsewhere. So
good. Awesome.
All right, we're hoping for this move to play out, and then we will be
A
done.
little bit of a ramp up here.
We will be
Looks like it wants
done.
to try and break out, maybe go up to
We're hoping
65
for a
bucks barrel,
break
trading
up
at 64,
above
68
this
at the moment.
into the next range.
Kind of did a little bit of consolidation here in the last
Is essentially
30
what we're
minutes or
hoping
so.
for.
As much as I would love to do a breakout trade on crude, I don't trust it. So I feel generally bullish about crude after the last week and a half, 2 weeks or so, but
It's looking kind of
Yeah,
weak.
sure,
Yep.
intraday
Let's
here.
hope.
Okay, let's see. IB high.
Broski, this is boring.
Yeah, this thing's.
What is going on?
It is.
Which isn't a tie
It's
range.
boring. It's slow.
Filth.
of green on the board, though, at least for all the filth that there is. A lot of green on the board, so we'll take it.
It's
for
true.
Sure.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Lots of
Look at
stuff
that.
above ES. I don't know who's driving, but there's lots of orders above on
Make
ES.
some
There's
money.
quite a bit underneath, so it might
You
still
just
pull
scalped it
down
up again,
some.
my friend. Up 1,000 already today. I mean,
This is a very interesting place that I got myself in at.
Opening hour, and you've annihilated the market.
We're gonna hope we get up here.
Eisenloberger with relish. I love
that's-
it.
Go to the
James.
next
Sounds tasty.
But that's
position
because,
here. Get up
the
there.
first couple of trades, I
Oh,
used 2
God.
contracts.
Let's
So-
go.
Right, of
And then I
course.
switched back
Yeah.
down to 1. Once I made a bit of profit, then I was like, all right, back down to 1, keep the risk low. Don't give back what
Yep.
you've lost, what you've made.
All right, let's go.
But yeah,
Let's
if I was
go.
just doing 1 contract, then it
Let's
would be
make
like,
this happen.
I
Come
don't
on.
know, 600.
Come on, push up.
600 maybe.
That's a good. That's a good
Okay,
strat,
something's
though.
happening.
Please.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Make it above. I know you could do it.
It's not happening on my chart. What are you seeing happening?
Well,
looking at
it
that,
looks like it might be breaking out this range, finally. There's an area I want to short it again, just a little bit above that range.
I want to break down.
Just
Yeah,
I
want it to go
break
up.
down, not a breakout.
a bit
Up.
below it.
You can do the up.
Well, there's a good chance it'll break out above and then drop down. I'm looking to short as well. But, I
All
need
right.
it to break above
We want
out
this
the
next
range.
break up.
Fire's
It's
trap,
going.
and then I can... Nah, I spoke
It's
too
going.
early.
So-
It's still ranging.
On my, I know I'm sharing my chart here. This pink line is point of control, but it's, again, and it's frustrating with Project X. I can't anchor this point of control to the US Open, so we're off. Showing me, where are we? The point of control is technically up about
got scared.
72.
Let's see if it goes
So
through or
up
not.
A couple points.
Come on, get a bit higher.
Doesn't really matter. Just all it means is we're just trading around point of control right here on the ES. That's all that means. All right, let's go, boys. Let's go.
Should've
Pull
stayed
out
in.
the rug. Let's go. Open the trap door.
I stuck through the hard
Down
point.
to 60. Down to
Look
single
at it, it's gonna
prints,
go up.
Down to 25. Yeehaw. Let's go. You got everybody in here, all comfortable and compliant. Now it's time to pick up those stops. Let's
Come
go.
on.
Let's get down there.
I already missed that short, I think. Already happened. I think I missed it.
What a jerk. What did I do that for? Just
And then coming in.
dang.
Potentially might have another shot at it, but I think I missed it already. 19, 21, 24, 13. It's getting absorbed by the buyers are pushing up.
What a jerk. Look at how much more we would have been in. Why do I do these things? It's okay. We
Worth a little shot.
looks
Alright,
like
I
it
did go in
is
short.
time.
Alright.
Come on, sellers, you have to bring in a bit of pressure.
Oh, I was up a decent amount.
Already.
Now not.
What'd you make? What'd you get?
My trades have just been wackadoo,
quick
so
scalping.
I think that's it.
100.
I think we're just gonna leave it as it is.
I'm at 1.
We'll see what happens right here.
48. What was I at before? Let's have a look. Yeah. No, not even 100. No. I must add some slippage. Never mind. It's fine. Bit of the old slippage. Slipperoo.
Slippy slip slip. Slip of the lip. It's a great rat song, by the way, for all you hair metal band fans from the 80s. Slip, slip, slip of the lip. I like the way you move your lips. Loose lips sink ships. Get out, man. Oh my God, I'm gonna have that careless whisper in my head all day. Thank you, Sam. Careless whisper. We gotta get some Culture Club or something. We gotta get some Boy George. I'll tumble for you. I'll tumble for you.
Oh, I didn't let go.
Boy George,
Let go.
so much.
Let go. Oh, I didn't get it? Flippage?
I am really trying hard to figure out whether or not the Dow is leading us or the NASDAQ is leading us. I feel like the Dow wants to break down.
I hope the Dow's leading us.
It wants to break down, but it's
good.
Consolidation. Yeah, it's in this consolidation for the last 30 minutes. But like,
You just
trying
stayed.
to get low in the low area of the consolidation, but I don't.
Come on, ES, let's go. Let's go, ES. Oh, I wanted to go. Let's go down. Let's go now.
That was a perfect.
Finally, can we break out?
That's kind of annoyed me because I got in at the tip of that candle for a short and I got out for like $80 or something. That was a perfect short. Oh well. Oh well.
See, now it's back up to point of control. Now it's over. That's all she wrote.
I must say, I think I'm going to stay away from the indices for a little while. I'm going to look at all the weird guys to trade here. I'm going to continue looking at some of the ag stuff and whatnot, and I'll update everybody if I get into anything, but...
Nope. I messed up.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
Not a bad idea.
Name another another trading channel that trades ES, the 10-year note, and live cattle all at the same time. Name another one. You can't. you can't. You won't find it. You won't find it.
Can't. No, you can't.
It's only here.
You can't. And Tom, you're right. I'm always singing Boy George. I don't know why. I'm singing Boy George because Sam hates Boy George. From a fellow Brit, I don't understand it, but you know, it is what it is.
It's just not.
Sam I am.
Give me this one, please.
Oh, no,
just give me this
I'm not a big,
trade.
I'm not a big culture. Oh no, it's good music. It's catchy. You know, it's catchy. Yeah. Well, you like George? You like George
Tried to
Michael,
pull
though.
too much profit.
What's the difference?
Yeah, but George, I wouldn't say I like George Michael. I just know that one song and it sticks in your head. And...
Yeah.
You know that one.
Order filled.
Oh man.
That's how it goes.
I'm looking for a diver. Do we have a diver? I know we have a swimmer. It's hard. It is hard to do it with your voice. I'm with you.
It's really hard to copy, isn't it?
Yeah, because my voice
really
is
hard
that
to copy
high. Tonight the music sings on. I wish little Sammy would go long instead of short. Maybe it's better this way. He left the ES, now he wants to trade NQ. We should have been so good together. Sam is gonna say goodbye forever. Please stay. I'm never gonna chance again. See, that's it. That's all you get from me today. I'm done. I'm done now.
That was genuinely very well
you
done.
know I'm not a fool. I should have known better than to treat a friend. I think that's the lyrics. I don't know. Yeah, that was decent.
Yeah.
That was decent.
All right.
I used to hate.
I have to say,
used to
Daryl, that
hate
was actually
Wham
a very
and George
impressive,
Michael. Like I said, you got to go karaoke with me, man. We got to do it. It'll be it'll be a good time.
I think
fun for everyone.
I think it would.
Come on, ES. Come on, ES. Come on. Come on, shake it. Come on. Oh man.
Push it. Push it real big.
Okay, we need this win. Come on. Come on, baby. Do
Eric
the
Lakes
locomotion.
Eric, we were just talking about you, asking where you have disappeared to. I'm glad to see you back.
Welcome back from Mars, Eric. Welcome back.
All right, yeah, I think we would probably bounce here.
Yeah,
I just
no
don't
diver.
know.
There's no Acapulco diver. There's no nothing like this. I was looking for a nice little emoji. Limited. Maybe I can turn some dude around. Maybe like a skydiver. That'd be cool if we had a skydiver. All right, here we go. ES, take it south. Let's go, baby. Take me down to the 60. Oh, Paul, you know what I forgot to do? I remember hearing you saying you were going to do this.
Nope, there's a lot of buys that just happened right now.
Damn.
Damn, come on.
I keep getting in my cart and I forget
you're on mute, by the way.
Paul is on mute.
Still can't hear you. We'll let Paul handle a few technical difficulties. All good. It's just me, Troy, and you, Daryl. Troy, is your mic working?
All right.
We haven't heard much from you.
And then there was
Can't tell.
Cool.
Tell me.
It is working.
Yeah, we hear you.
No, it's all good. It is working.
The sheriff's back. The sheriff's in town.
All right, this is where we want
can you
it.
guys hear me now?
It goes higher. We're
Now
busting.
we hear you, Paul. Just now.
I mean, not
Yes.
busting our
Now we do.
account, but
He's back.
I think something was turned
Good
off
job,
on the
good
back
job.
on the production side there, so I think we're good now. All right, let's go.
They got sick of you trading cattle, man. They said they were gonna meet you. You're
Yeah.
done.
Stop
Right when you
Stop
said I'm gonna look at
yeah.
doing some new stuff, they said you're enough. Oh yes. Tom's funny. Yeah. So what's been crack-a-lacking, Eric? How are things in the big old NM up at the Continental Divide, where the beautiful country is? How's the new pup? That little puppy of yours.
Oh, yeah. The dog.
The doggy.
Order filled.
Sam needs you, Eric, to fly
Order
your little puppy
filled.
over to London because Sam has a little critter in his walls of his home that we need to flush out and try to get rid of. I think your little puppy would be perfect for that.
Unless it's like a Jack Russell or something, that's what I need. I either need a cat or a Jack Russell. Just like a little. I could just tie. I could tie a cat to a stick, Jack Russell to another stick, and then just go in the attic and be like, go.
Let them get at it. Yeah, that would work. Just walking the puppy, all right. Yeah, I know. That's cute. That's good. Oh, come on, ES. You just love to rotate. You just love to rotate here. Back to mean reversion.
Yeah.
Coming back. point of control's a little higher than where I have it here. But come on. Come on.
So apparently, Eric bought her because he
Stop
thought
filled.
she was
Stop
a
filled.
full-breed boxer. But sadly, he thinks she's mixed with a beagle. Beagles are good as well. A beagle boxer.
All right.
Beagles are a lot of-
Well,
both a lot of
we're
energy.
down max
Boxers
loss here,
have a
so we're
lot of energy,
done
and beagles do too.
on
so.
this one. We were good, and
I
then we
don't
just
like
we
this
just couldn't
long
leave it
BS.
alone.
What are you doing to me? No, 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 no. I'm still sitting here. I got my stop at the outer edge. 2 on short.
Yeah, Russell and the
Come
ES
on.
are the disgusting range-bound trades, whereas the Dow and the Nasdaq are negatively correlated, somewhat trending. So it feels like the Dow or the Nasdaq are the fun ones to kind of be in, maybe going forward. The ES just seems like a gross. I'm not even gonna be looking at the ES, I think, for a little while.
Dang, we were doing so good,
Like I
and then
said,
we just
I'm
couldn't
hold
hold on,
all of
guys.
you S&P lovers out there. Oh no, it's gonna take me out. You gonna take me out? All that.
Damn it,
All that,
guys!
you
Dang
little
it!
guy, you little sucker.
I gotta stop. I was up.
Well, if it goes, at least it'll take out my IB high. Look at this.
You might be good.
You might just survive this, Sarah. You
Yeah.
might
I
just
may survive it. I mean,
by the
I'm
skin
not
of your
gonna
teeth.
I'm not gonna move my stop. Yeah, but it's gonna come back to me. You know, it'll come back. If it does, it does. I'll take another trade. You know how that goes. But I would like to see. I just, wow. It's not doing anything though. That's the problem. If it's not going down to the 60 and further south, then at least maybe make a move and retest the high of Friday's range, or even all-time high, which we're not too far away, but we got to get above 6,500, and it doesn't want to do that. So we are what, 8 minutes from London close? Maybe something will happen. There is no news. There is no, Now, Trump is going to sign some executive orders here soon.
I'm jumping right
he may
here
make
if
some
it comes down
commentary